I finally killed a turkey. These ones caught me totally off guard. I thought they were down below me. And I'm sitting here texting and getting on Facebook like an idiot. And all of a sudden I heard the sound of something crashing the decoys. So anyways, I got a bird. I got one down finally. This has been a horrible spring. It's a tough one. Lost Tiny, our mold maker, has been with us for 10 years. Definitely made things tough. Can't get away. So I'm pretty thankful. I'm pretty thankful to have a bird right now, that's for sure.